రామ్రాజ్ పట్టు పంచలు ప్యూరిటీ అండ్ పాజిటివిటీ.
Hi, hello, namaste. This is Arju Mahi. Welcome to our channel India Glades. And today we have a wonderful guest, cute, bubbly, and మనకి మళ్ళీ రావాతో అండ్ అలానే దేవదాస్తో మనందరికీ పరిచితమైన ఆకాంక్ష సింగ్ నాతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. హాయ్.
హలో.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాగుంది.
బాగుంది. సూపర్, ఇది కూడా బాగుంది. మీరు ఇలానే తెలుగులో ఫ్లోలో వెళ్ళిపోతే ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది. బట్ ఓకే, పరంపర నౌ స్ట్రీమింగ్ ఆన్ హాట్స్టార్, అంటే కమింగ్ కదా. So first we have to talk about Telugu industry. You are upcoming. Let me know some details about your coming the way of Telugu.
Okay, so if I talk about Parampara, I'm really happy and blessed to be a part of this project because such actors, JB sir and Sharad Kumar sir, I am fortunate that I'm having this opportunity to work with them. Also, we have an amazing guy, Naveen Chandra, who's an amazing actor, and also Ishan, whom I'm working for the first time, both of them in fact. So it's a mix of feeling, you know, I have made a good friends on set because both of them are amazing. Also, there is always, like, you know, I look forward to do a project in which I can put my heart and soul. So this is one project I would say. Telugu, Hyderabad keeps on calling me again and again, and I'm really thankful to my audience that they are appreciating my work and they really want me to, you know, do more and more and good work. So yeah, really excited for Parampara.
Yeah. సో మళ్ళీ రావాతోనే మళ్ళీ మిమ్మల్ని రావాలని మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాం, తెలుగు ఫ్యామిలీ. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ రీసెంట్లీ ఐ న్యూ అబౌట్ వన్ థింగ్ విచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దెర్ ఈస్ వన్ ఫ్రాక్చర్ ఇన్ runway I think
runway 34, yeah.
Runway 34.
It is a very funny story because we were shooting an action sequence in a aircraft or something like that, and everything went well. All things were okay at place. I got packed up. I was shooting in Hyderabad only, Ramoji. And I packed up. I went to my vanity. I came out. I was going to the hotel. I was wearing normal slippers, flats. And I just stepped down and my leg twisted. So that's how I got the fracture. The action sequence went all well. But yeah, I mean, I got a fracture like nobody can imagine.
Okay.
So yeah, but then again, next day I shot. I completed the shoot with my fracture and I went back to Bombay. So yeah, that was the thing. But yeah, I really enjoyed the pampering I got from my family and my co-actors. So yeah.
And also, I think there is one situation is there. Amitabh Bachchan sir wrote you a letter for you, and he shared something else.
Yeah, in fact, he shared my film is gonna release soon, Clap, and he shared the poster for that, and he congratulated me, saying that, you know, Hindi artist doing Telugu film and with such an ease. So that was a really big thing for me. And when I got the letter at my place, I was clueless. It was so how it happened was I wrote a poem to him. Yeah, so because it was a fangirl moment for me when I saw him on set. I always wanted to work with him. So yeah, I wrote a poem to him and he really liked the poem, but I never, you know, thought that he would do something like this. And why I wrote the poem? Because I got the fracture. And he came on a buggy, like the three-wheeler scooter, on set for me because he got to know that I have a fracture and he asked me that it will be very difficult for you to walk. So he got me a buggy.
So Amitabh Bachchan garu buggy techaru meekosam.
Yeah, I mean, so to thank him, I wrote a poem because anyhow, whatever I'll get for him, it's never enough because he has everything. So what I can give him is only my words. So I expressed my things. Gratitude. I wrote it in Hindi, and he really liked it. So I got a call from a courier guy. He asked me, "Ma'am, I'm coming. मैं आ रहा हूँ. So I was like, okay, who's sending the, like he said parcel is there. I said, who's sending? So he told me Amitabh Bachchan Bungalow Juhu. And I was clueless because I was never expected that he will, you know, after my poem, he will do something like this. So it was a dream come true for me.
ఓకే ఫ్యాన్ మూమెంట్ అంటే అలా ఉంటుంది. అమితాబ్ బచ్చన్ గారు ఒక బగ్గీ మీద వచ్చి తన ఫ్రాక్చర్ అయిందని చెప్పేసి ఇంత ప్యాంపర్ చేశారు. టూటీ ఫ్రూటీ.
Yeah. From where are you getting all this information? I really want to know. Yeah, Tutti Frutti. He named me Tutti Frutti and I asked him to save my number like that. Because then I asked him that, you know, when he was saving my number, he said, Akanksha Singh, right? I said, yeah, sir. But you can write Tutti Frutti. You will always remember me like that. So, yeah.
Because you are special to me, there is a one story which it is, my ex-girl name is Akanksha. So that's why I want to...
Akanksha must be, whenever this is going live, Akanksha must be listening to it.
But నాకు మీ స్టోరీ తెలుసు, ఫ్రమ్ రాజస్థాన్ టు టీవీ, అండ్ యువర్ జర్నీ ఈజ్ లైక్ ఇంప్రెసివ్ బికాస్ యూ డిడ్ ఎ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ యాంకరింగ్ అండ్
Not anchoring, I did theatre. Yeah.
Theatre.
Not anchoring, yeah. That was not my cup of tea, so never went to that side, but yeah.
And working with Nag sir, how's your feeling? Because he's a superstar here, Telugu audience. And let me know the journey with Nag sir.
When Mallirava got released, I really got a massive appreciation from the audience. Though the film was very low budget, like we have shot, it was a new production house and it was not a lavish film, but the story itself was so beautiful that people who have not watched it in the theaters, now also I get messages that, you know, oh shit, we missed it in theaters. And when they watch the film now also, they just appreciate it. So when I started off with Mallirava, I had this confidence that, you know, this film will take me somewhere. And that is happening, touch wood. So when I got the second film with Nag sir, the reason of me doing film was, number one, it was a great cast. Number two, it was Vaijayanti Films. And yeah, so I really wanted to do it. So when I still remember my first encounter with Nag sir, I never felt that he's number one. He's a superstar. He never made me feel that. He was so grounded, so down to earth, normal person.
And we call him as a Manmadudu.
So he's very charming, you know. When he's in a room, you will feel a different kind of charm when he walks up to you. So yeah, I always blushed whenever he was in the room or he's
calls
coming.
him like you, Butavamma.
Yeah. So one day I was sitting with Aditya, the director of Devdas, and he was sitting here, and he came. Aditya came and Nag sir said in Telugu that she looks like Butavamma. And I didn't know the meaning of Bomma. So I just looked at him like this and he said, no, I'm not calling you a bomb. I'm saying that you look like a doll. Don't take me wrong. I said, oh, okay. So yeah.
Okay. And one more thing, you acted with sharing your screen with Nani Garu.
Yeah, I know. The look of the film, I really found him. You know, he takes the character, every character so seriously. It's very powerful. If you see him in Devdas, or if you see him in Jersey, or if you see him in Shyam Singh Roy, the get-up, he's totally different person in each of his films. And that's why we call him natural star. So when I worked with him in Devdas, there is one scene I did it with him where he's singing and I just slap him. I was just in awe of that person because he was so effortless. You don't need any acting kind of, it's very natural. So yeah, I know that his film is released, and by the way,
I know. I'll ask.
Okay.
And
So
నాని గారి సిస్టర్ రైటింగ్ లో మీట్ క్యూట్ లో ఆకాంక్ష సింగ్ చేయబోతున్నారు.
Yeah.
Somehow ఆ న్యూస్ గురించి షేర్ చేసుకోండి.
Yeah,
మీట్ క్యూట్.
yeah.
So how can we imagine Akanksha Singh in Meet Cute?
Oh, it's lovely. See, if I'm talking about it, I get goosebumps. So when I heard the story, when they approached me, it's Nani's production. So when they approached me and they made me listen to the story, I said, whatever I have to do, I am doing this film. I'm not letting it go. So that is that kind of story. And when the film will release, you'll get to know. And so I'm very proudly say always, you know, there are 4 different stories because it's an anthology film. So my story is the best, I feel. So
Proudness.
yeah, I'm very. See, there are some stories which you like to tell in certain way, and the kind of writing goes behind that particularly project. Deepti Garu has done an amazing job. Be it the production value, be it the direction, be it the writing, everything was perfect in that film. So yeah, I'm just hoping that they'll release it soon. I'm just waiting. Like you guys, I am also waiting for that project.
ఓకే. అండ్ నేను విన్నాను ఆకాంక్ష సింగ్ ఈజ్ ఫిజియోథెరపిస్ట్. జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండకపోతే ఏ ముక్కలు ఇరుగుతాయి, బోన్స్ బ్రేక్ అవుతాయి. అదర్ దెన్ మూవీస్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఏ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొఫెషన్స్, రైట్?
I don't have lots of professions, but yeah, I have a degree. I'm a physiotherapist, but I never practice because I didn't get time to do that.
Okay.
But yeah, I have a backup, but I don't want ever to use that backup. I just want to act. I want to be an actor. That's it.
యాక్టర్.
Yeah.
సో మోస్ట్ ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ మోస్ట్ బ్యాకప్ ఫర్ యూ అంటే ఎవరు చెప్తారు? అంటే హూ ఇస్ దట్ పర్సన్?
Inspirational.
ఆర్ ఎల్స్ బ్యాకప్ ఫర్ ఆకాంక్ష సింగ్.
My backup.
బ్యాకప్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్.
I think my family is my strength, yeah. I won't say that, yeah, so I know that, you know, whenever I go home, I have my people back waiting for me. So yeah, that is the most important thing. My family is my strength.
So again, coming to Parampara, at least let me know some story and character of yours.
Story I won't tell you because it's
At least
released
character.
and I really want you to see. And I really want people to see. But yeah, I would say my character's name is Rachna. And you know, it is a good thing. Nowadays, people are writing for female characters, like really good female characters. It's not anymore like dancing around the trees and not doing anything and just be the heroine material. People are really writing good stuff. This is one project for me, I would say. And Hari Garu has written it so beautifully. She is strong. She's a headstrong girl. At the same time, there is an emotional side to her, but she's very strong. Like when you see the season, you'll get to know more about her. But I'm really fortunate to play this character.
So Jagapat Babu garu mundu telsa? Do you know Jagapat Babu garu before the movie Parampara?
Yes, I did. So yeah,
I think there is a story, right?
There's no story, but I know that how popular he was, and he is. We had a remake of his film. Amani Guru is also there.
Okay.
We call it in Hindi Judai, right?
Okay.
Yes, I know about him, and I got to work with both of them in this Parampara. So she's also there. So it was a moment for me that I'm working for such big stars. And yes, of course, I knew about him. Like after that also, I watched few films.
So see, we know every actress has their dreams, want to work every hero, right?
Right.
So at least let me know the one hero in Telugu who want to act.
One only?
Okay, two, 3.
I can tell you multiple people I want to work with. But yeah. So I have shared the screen with Nani Garu, but I have not shared the screen as his heroine or so I really want to work with him because I love his craft. Number 2 would be Vijay Deverakonda. I really want to work with him. There are so many people, yeah. Why are you making me do this? Okay. I really want to work with Prabhas. So yeah, all these people are on my list.
Radheshyam చూసారా టీజర్?
Yeah, I saw it. Beautiful.
Recently which movie you saw అంటే మీరు ఏం చూసారు recently movie?
Recent movie whose movie? Like normally, generally.
You liked it ante?
Any language.
Any language? Tell me any
Telugu,
language.
okay, so I saw this Tamil film called Oh My Koduvule. I really liked it. Yeah, and last Hindi film which I saw,
I think there is a one project Ajay Devgan sir with.
Yeah. I'm shooting for it. Like I just finished Runway 34. So.
Runway 34.
It will release on 29th April. So. Yeah.
How much truth is there?
Oh, sorry. I want to say one beautiful film I watched right now was Naveen Chandra's film Bro. It was a beautiful film. I would not say a lie because just that he's working with me. I have called him and I said that it's such a beautiful film. If I have watched a film after Malli Rava which has a good soul and beautiful, story, it is Bro. So I loved that film.
Okay.
Loved it.
And is it true there is a one movie with Atli sir and alane Shah Rukh Khan garu a movie entadi? Is it real or not?
Yeah, they approached me for the film. I got approached for it, but yeah, as of now, I'm not doing it.
Any reasons? With Shah Rukh sir, so many heroines are wanted to act with Shah Rukh sir.
I know. But yeah, there are date clashes with my projects, and they wanted the whole 9 months. Just for them. So it was really difficult because I would not do any of my Telugu films and any of my projects. So yeah, that was the reason the dates were clashing.
Okay. Upcoming movies,
there is Meet Cute, there is Clap, both in Telugu and Tamil. Then there is Shivudu in Telugu again with Adi Pinnishetty. So yeah, they are there.
Okay, and now Parampara.
And of course, Parampara. Thank you.
So guys, ఇది అన్నమాట ఆకాంక్ష సింగ్ తో ఈరోజు ఇంటర్వ్యూ. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆర్జే మహి సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్.
రామ్ రాజ్ పట్టు పంచలు, ప్యూరిటీ అండ్ పాజిటివిటీ.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu channel.
Please like, share, subscribe and follow India Glitz Telugu.
Hi, please like, share and subscribe India Glitz Telugu channel on YouTube.
Please like and share and subscribe to India Glitz Telugu.
Please like, share, subscribe India Glitz Telugu and comment if you like this interview. Thank you.